Hey everyone, so light linking finally officially released in Blender 4.0. Blender Secrets has already made a very concise video to show how to set up light linking or shadow linking. You can find the link in the description. But I thought it's a good idea to show here a practical use case for those unfamiliar with its utility. Now in this scene I had a simple environment, a moon, and a sunlight source to control how it looks like. For example, a full moon, and I wanted a crescent moon. As you can see, the sunlight source, as expected, it is affecting the whole room. In order to have the results that I wanted, I had to go through painful steps in the compositing tab. But now, I can just go to the light source through the object tab, shading, then light linking. You can drag drop what you want, or in this example, I'll pick the collection that contains the moon. And now the sunlight source is only affecting the moon. As you can see, it skips so much work and it opens the path to so many possibilities, so have fun experimenting.